In this video, I'm going to give you one quick tip. If you're a beginner actor, if you're passionate about acting, if you want to discover acting, please do the following, because there is a big misunderstanding going on, which is when you go to an acting class, you think that you have to transform yourself into someone else. And there's nothing wrong with that idea, but the point is you should, first of all, know your starting point. So you should start to get to know yourself in the first place. First of all, you should focus on what type of character you are in your life. We are already one character. What type of character are we? How do we speak? Do you have a nasal voice? Do you have a deep voice? Do you speak slowly? Do you speak fast? Are you a nervous person? Are you a chilled person? How do you walk? Catch yourself while walking in the street in a window and see how you're walking. Do you make long steps, short steps? Are you fast? Are you slow? You should know your starting point. And knowing your starting point, you will also know what characters are different from you, what characters are closer to you, and how to get there progressively. This is my advice. If you want to learn acting, you should start having a good look at yourself. We are all characters, so let's just discover ourselves first. Thank you very much for watching. You can check this video for more information about that, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.